Hi everyone, I'm Kaz from Washok Moments. This time, instead of a Japanese cuisine video, it's a video on Italian risotto. You see, my wife caught a cold, and when I asked what she wanted for dinner, she said she wanted risotto. So for the first time in over 60 years of life, I made a risotto. I searched online for the recipe and challenged myself to make an authentic risotto. In Japan, when someone is feeling unwell, we have a thick meal called ojiya, soft, easily digestible rice made gentle on the body. But my wife dislikes soft rice, so she requested risotto instead. Eating what you want when you want it's the secret to feeling better, right? I made the risotto with all my heart, hoping my wife would get better soon. And I must say it was a hug success. My wife said the authentic risotto was truly delicious. Thank you, she told me. So I've added one more recipe to my repertoire. It's not Japanese cuisine, but please watch till the end.